Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are good. Our today's lesson is unit number 8, Moise likes reading of Oxford Modern English book 1. Let me tell you something about a unit first. The main character of a unit is a boy whose name is Moise. Here you can see a picture of a boy who is sitting on a chair and reading the book in the library. Library is a place where collection of books are available. The boy is reading an interesting story. When he finished the story, he looked towards the clock. The time was 10 past 5. The bus gone and library closed. He afraid to be alone. He moved toward the biggest table and see the telephone which is on a table and dial the number which is placed near the phone. He asked to Mr. when will be library reopened in the morning because I am logged in. Let's find out meaning of some difficult words. First word is frightened. Urdu meaning is खौफज़दा. To be afraid of something यानी किसी चीज़ से डर जाना. The second word is interesting. उर्दू मीनिंग is दिलचस्पी लेना. Catching the attention means involved in something. Let's move toward the reading and explanation of a unit. The room was very quiet. कमरे में बहुत खामोशी थी. Moise turned the page of his book. मोइज़ ने अपनी किताब का पर्चा पलटा. द बुक वॉज लार्ज. किताब बहुत बड़ी थी. इट हैड मैनी कलरफुल पिक्चर्स इन इट. उसमें बहुत सारी रंगीन तस्वीरें थीं. देयर आर ओनली 3 पेजेस लेफ्ट. सिर्फ 3 सफ़े बाकी रह गए थे. सेड मोइज़ टू हिमसेल्फ. मोइज़ ने अपने आप से कहा. हाउ सैड. कितने दुख की बात. आफ्टर अ फ्यू मिनट. कुछ मिनट के बाद मोइज़ केम टू द लास्ट पेज. मोइज़ आखिरी सफ़े पर आ गया. वाओ दैट वॉज एन इंटरेस्टिंग बुक सेड मोइज़. ये बहुत दिलचस्प बुक थी, मोइज़ ने कहा. स्टूडेंट्स, टेक आउट योर पेंसिल्स एंड अंडरलाइन द डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स एंड फाइंड आउट देयर मीनिंग्स. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ क्वाइट यानी खामोश. सेकेंड वर्ड इज़ टर्न्ड यानी पलटना. थर्ड वर्ड इज़ लार्ज यानी बड़ा. फोर्थ वर्ड इज़ कलरफुल यानी रंगीन. फिफ्थ वर्ड इज़ पिक्चर्स यानी तस्वीरें. सिक्स्थ वर्ड इज़ हिमसेल्फ यानी अपने आप से. सेवन्थ वर्ड इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग यानी दिलचस्प. लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. ही क्लोज द बुक एंड गॉट अप. उसने किताब बंद की और खड़ा हो गया. ही रिटर्न द बुक टू द शेल्फ. उसने किताब को वापस शेल्फ पर रख दिया. देन ही लुक्ड एट द क्लॉक ऑन द वॉल. फिर उसने घड़ी की तरफ देखा जो दीवार पर थी. द क्लॉक टोल्ड हिम इट वॉज 10 past 5. घड़ी ने उसको बताया कि 5:10 हो रहे हैं. ओह डियर क्राइड मोइज़. मोइज़ रोने लगा. हाउ डिड दैट हैपन. ये कैसे हो गया. आई हैव मिस्ड माई बस. मैंने अपनी बस मिस कर दी. मोइज़ लुक्ड अराउंड. मोइज़ ने इधर उधर देखा. देयर वॉज नो बडी इन द रूम. कमरे में कोई नहीं था. इन दिस पैराग्राफ वी रेड दैट द मोइज़ गेट अप आफ्टर रीडिंग द बुक. ही पुट द बुक ऑन द शेल्फ एंड देन लुक एट द क्लॉक. द टाइम वॉज 10 past 5. मोइज़ स्टार्ट क्राइंग because he missed the bus. Moise became afraid because no one is in the room. Let's underline some difficult word and find out their meaning from this paragraph. The first word is closed यानी बंद होना. The second word is returned यानी वापस करना. Third word is 10 past 5 यानी 5:10. Next word is cried यानी रोना. Looked यानी देखना. Around इर्द गिर्द. Nobody कोई नहीं. While reading, how often do you visit your school library? Student, they ask to you कि आप अपने स्कूल की लाइब्रेरी में कब कब जाते हैं. Which books you have read there और कौन सी किताबें पढ़ते हैं. He was alone. वो अकेला था. The windows and doors were locked. खिड़कियाँ और दरवाजे बंद हो चुके थे. Moise became a little frightened. Moise थोड़ा सा डर गया था. Moise went to a large desk. Moise बड़े डेस्क की तरफ गया. On the desk was a telephone. डेस्क के ऊपर एक टेलीफोन था. Beside the telephone there was a sheet of paper. टेलीफोन के पास एक सफ़ा पड़ा हुआ था. It said, वो कह रहा था, Senior Master 977-64312. In this paragraph, we read that he is alone, everything is locked. Moise going toward the biggest desk. There was a telephone. He sees that there is a paper sheet near the telephone. On this, its number is written 977-64312. Let's underline difficult words. First word is alone, यानी अकेला. Second word is beside, यानी एक तरफ. Let's move toward the next paragraph. Moise picked up the phone and dialed the number. Moise ने फ़ोन उठाया और नंबर मिलाने लगा. Yes, हाँ जी, said a voice on the other end of the phone. फ़ोन की दूसरी तरफ से आवाज़ आई. Please sir, मेहरबानी करके सर. This is Moise. मैं मोइज़ हूँ, said Moise. मोइज़ ने कहा. What time does the school library open? स्कूल की लाइब्रेरी किस वक्त खुलती है? 9 o'clock in the morning. सुबह 9 बजे, said the senior master. सीनियर मास्टर ने कहा. Oh dear, said Moise. 9 o'clock. मोइज़ ने कहा. 9 बजे? Yes, जी हाँ, said the senior master. सीनियर मास्टर ने कहा. Can't you wait till then to read a book? आप उस वक्त किताब पढ़ने के लिए इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकते? In this paragraph, we read that Moise picked the receiver of a phone and dialed the number. From the other side of a phone, the voice became yes. Moise said, I am Moise. When does the school library will be opened? They replied at 9 o'clock. Moise became afraid more. 9 o'clock? Senior master said yes. Why? You can't wait till the morning to read a book? Let's underline the difficult words. The first word is picked, mean उठाना. The second word is dialed, यानी मिलाना. Third word is voice, यानी आवाज़. Fourth word is wait, यानी इंतज़ार. Fifth word is till, यानी तब तक. Let's move toward the next paragraph. No, no, sir, replied Moise. नहीं नहीं सर, मोइज़ ने जवाब दिया. I can read many books till then. मैं उस वक्त तक बहुत सारी किताबें पढ़ सकता हूँ. Then why are you calling me now? तो आपने मुझे इस वक्त कॉल क्यों की? Asked the senior master. सीनियर मास्टर ने पूछा. Why do you want to get into the library? आप इस वक्त लाइब्रेरी में क्यों जाना चाहते हैं? I don't want to get into the library. मैं लाइब्रेरी में जाना नहीं चाहता. Cried Moise. मोइज़ रो रहा था. I am in the library. मैं लाइब्रेरी में हूँ. And want to get out. और बाहर आना चाहता हूँ. I am locked in. मैं बंद हो गया हूँ. In this paragraph, Sir asked him why he want to get in library at this time. So he replied that he don't want to get in library. He said he locked inside the library. Underline the difficult word. The first word is replied, यानी जवाब देना. The second word is asked, यानी पूछना. The third word is cried, यानी रोना. The fourth word is locked, यानी बंद हो जाना. Let's move toward the exercise of a unit. A. Comprehension. Question number 1 is answer the following questions. A. What was Moise doing in the room? मोइज़ कमरे में क्या कर रहा था? The answer is Moise was reading. मोइज़ पढ़ रहा था. B. What was the time on the clock? घड़ी में क्या टाइम हो रहा था? The answer is the time was 5:10. घड़ी में 5:10 हो रहे थे. C. Why did Moise not look at the clock before? मोइज़ ने इससे पहले घड़ी की तरफ क्यों नहीं देखा? The answer is Moise did not look at the door before because he was reading an interesting book. मोइज़ ने इससे पहले घड़ी की तरफ इसलिए नहीं देखा क्योंकि वो एक बहुत दिलचस्प किताब पढ़ रहा था. D. Why was Moise a little frightened? मोइज़ थोड़ा सा खौफज़दा क्यों हो गया था? The answer is Moise was little frightened because he was alone. वो इसलिए खौफज़दा हो गया था क्योंकि वो अकेला था. E. Whom did Moise call on the telephone? Moise ने किसको टेलीफोन से फ़ोन किया था? The answer is Moise called the senior master on the telephone. Moise ने सीनियर मास्टर को कॉल की थी. F. What did the senior master ask Moise? सीनियर मास्टर ने मोइस से क्या पूछा था? And the answer is senior master asked to the Moise, can't you wait till then to read a book? क्या तुम उस वक्त तक किताब पढ़कर इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकते? G. What did Moise tell the senior master? मोइस ने सीनियर मास्टर को क्या बताया? And the answer is Moise told the senior master that he was locked in the library. मोइस ने बताया कि वो लाइब्रेरी में बंद हो गया है. Part B is working with words. 1. Use these doing words in sentences of your own. Students, you know that action words are called doing words. यानी जो काम हो रहा है उसके लिए जो लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल होते हैं उसे हम doing words कहते हैं. Let's use these words in the sentences. A. Turned यानी पलटना. Ali turned the page of a book. B. Came यानी जाना. He came to Lahore by bus. C. Closed यानी बंद हो गया. School was closed at 3 o'clock. D. Returned यानी वापस करना. Sarah returned a pencil of Zara. E. Looked यानी देखना. They looked toward the stars at night. Told यानी बताना. Grandmother told us an interesting story. G. Missed यानी छोड़ना. Ali missed the van yesterday. H. Locked यानी बंद होना. Moise locked in library. Part C. Learning about language. Doing words. The underlined words are doing words. They tell us what the people are doing. Student, action words are called doing words यानी जो काम हो रहा है. Read these sentences. Bilal drives a jeep every day. So drives is a doing word. Rahim is playing football now. So playing is doing word. Yesterday Mr. Smith worked hard. So work is doing word. 1. Underline the doing words in the following sentences. So students, underline the action words. A. My aunt likes orange. मेरी आंटी को माल्टे पसंद हैं. So in this sentence, likes is a doing word. B. She is eating an orange now. So eating is a doing word. C. Yesterday she went to the market. So went is doing word. D. She bought 12 orange. So bought is doing word. She put the orange in her bag. So put is doing word. F. The orange fell out on the road. So fell out is doing word. G. A bus squashed them flat. So squashed is doing word. D. Listening and speaking. 1. Read the following words carefully and repeat them aloud. DR. So dress, drink, drive. CR. Crow, crop, cry. FR. Frock, friend, fry. FL. Flew, flat, flap. 2. Add these words to the list above. So students, name of these picture write in the above blanks at suitable place. So the word start with DR is drop. CR is crab. FR frog. FL flag. Put these words in these blanks. Let's move toward the workbook of a unit 8. Moise likes reading. A. Doing words. 1. Fill in the blanks. Use the words in the box. So take out suitable word from the box and put these words in these blanks. A. The man dashed to the market. The man walked to the market. B. The boy dashed a banana. The boy ate a banana. C. Rima dashed her brother a pencil. Rima gave her brother a pencil. D. Sarim dashed the cycle up the hill. Sarim rode the cycle up the hill. E. The cat dashed in the tree. The cat slept in the tree. F. The old woman dashed for help. The old woman asked for help. G. Hassan dashed a tiger in the zoo. Hassan saw a tiger in the zoo. Number 2. Write one question for each sentences above. Use the word in the bracket. Student, in the above, the words are in third form. You know that in question, the third form will be changed in first form. A. Walk. So use the word in the question. Did the man walk to the market? Second word is eat. So did the boy eat a banana? Give. Did the Rima give her brother a pencil? D. Ride. Did Sarim ride the cycle up the hill? E. Sleep. So question will be, did the cat sleep in the tree? F. Asked. So question will be, did the old woman ask for help? G. See. So question will be, did Hassan see a tiger in the zoo? B. Every day, yesterday and now. Read the following. Every day, Moise looks for a book. Now, Moise is looking for a book. Yesterday, Moise looked for a book. Students, you know that in simple tense, the first form will be used with S. And now, it is present. So, the first form will be with ing. And yesterday is past. First form will be used with ed. Every day talks, plays, runs. Now is talking, is playing, is running. Yesterday talked, played, ran. Number 2. Fill in the blanks. Use the correct form of the doing words given in the boxes. They are not in the correct order. So students, use correct doing words in the blanks with correct form of verb. Every day, sit, find, go, read. Moise dashed to the library. He dashed a good book. He dashed down and dashed it. Student, you know that in every day we use S with first form. So it will be Moise goes to the library. He reads a book. He sits down and reads it. Yesterday, choose, help, tell, start, phone, go. Student, you know that in past we use third form of verb. So Moise dashed to the library. He dashed a good book. He dashed to read the book. The clock dashed him. It was 5:10. Moise dashed the senior master. The senior master dashed Moise. Moise went to the library. He chose a good book. He started to read the book. The clock told him it was 5:10. Moise phoned the senior master. The senior master helped Moise. Thank you so much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.